So, hi everyone, I will be talking about why health is the number one priority that you should have in your life. So to start off, health is very important because you can never buy health back. For example, you can buy, let's say you can crack your screen of your phone. You can get it repaired. But health, you can never get repaired. So you have to put your mind, sweat, and tears all into one. Like, let's take an example. Celebrities, they can hire coaches, but they still have to put in their effort. Likewise, everyone should be putting in their effort towards health because health will always pay back. Like, we can take an example of this pandemic. This pandemic, the people who are only able to survive are the ones with good health and a good mental state. You should have your mental state that's very strong and have a good, healthy body. With this, we can have very good success and we can focus on other things apart from health. But your number one priority should be health. So, I will be talking about the phenomena that is like disturbing health nowadays. So, nowadays, everyone's eating fast food. And it's actually scientifically proven that fast food will harm your body and likely cause your body to catch more diseases or have more diseases because fast food has lots of chemicals in it and it is very harmful with your body. And early on in days, people used to cook at home and they should eat from home healthy and they used to be fit. Everyone used to be working out in the sun. Nowadays, everyone's on the computer, plus they're eating unhealthy like fast food. So another phenomena is wealth does not correlate to health. So this can be proven because in third world countries, more people are actually happier than first world countries. For example, America or the UK. So more people in these first world countries are focused on their wealth. And in third countries, people are more focused on how they can spend time with their family and friends and how they could have a good time. And a lot of people are happier there than here with a taken survey. So in these first world countries, there's lots of financial stress. But there, they're earning like $30,000, $40,000 per year, and there are no financial stress, and they can spend time with their family and loved ones. So this lockdown, I'm quite fortunate enough because my family introduced me to yoga. So yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices that are combined together. So yoga was originated in India. And I also want to explain that even though you have a good physical body, you should also have a good diet. This means, and this really correlates with what I explained with the fast food restaurants, but also you should have and create a balanced diet with good carbs, good nutrition, and good fats all in one plate each day in each meal. This way you can keep healthy, so you can keep up with the good diet. So guys, that was the video for today. And guys, please keep your health your number one priority. Like times like this, you don't want to get ill and keep your body healthy. So guys, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.